Welcome to Michi's Kitchen. Welcome to Michi's Kitchen. Welcome to Michi's Kitchen. Welcome to Michi's Kitchen.
Hi guys, welcome back to Mishy's Kitchen. My name is Michelle and today I'm going to be showing you what me and my mum made for Friday's meal, and it was delicious, I tell you. So this video is going to be a little bit different, and I'm trying out something new. It's not what we would normally do on our other videos. But we always need to remember our 3 rules, which is washing our hands before we cook, always wearing an apron to prepare ourselves from the messes, and always asking an adult for help when we're using the stove, the oven, and knives. So please enjoy this video. So now we're going to, we've washed the fish, we've inside and outside, we have made our seasoning. Choose any seasoning that you and your family prefer. So now we're going to use our seasoning to generously marinate our fish everywhere. Don't leave any bits out. Coat it as many times as you want to make it as juicy and as fresh as you want. Then you're going to wrap it in your cling film and put it in the fridge. Then we are going to put it in the oven for at least 30 to 45 minutes. Look at the result when you take it out of the oven. Now you can put any of your toppings and sides and it will taste amazing for you. I hope that you love this recipe. Thank you. Okay, so now that you've seen this meal, I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoyed it, and I hope that you'll love it for any time of the week. We prefer on a Friday. Bye guys, see you next time on Mishy's Kitchen.